Hello everyone, this is Robyn with mypinkstamper.com, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase the $99 starter kit that will enable you to get your future 20% discount at least for the next 3 months, or sign up to do this as a business like I do. This is super easy to do and I get a lot of questions, so I thought I would just make a tutorial video for you. And there is a really good perk with signing up this month, and I'm going to show you right now what it is. Okay, so you can go to mypinkstamper.com, you can click on Shop Now and just click on Starter Kit, or you can simply, I'm going to open up a new tab, you can type in the URL, join mypinkstamper, I can spell it.com. Okay, that goes directly to the independent demonstrator agreement. This does not mean you have to sell anything. The only thing that is required to continue receiving your discount is a $300 quarterly minimum. And if you decide you don't want to get the discount anymore, you simply just stop purchasing or selling. All right, so you find this page right here. You read the agreements and click acknowledged, acknowledged, and then continue to the next page. This is where you're clicking starter kit, and you get to choose your starter kit. Now you're most likely not going to have a Stampin' Reward starter kit code, so just click no. And down here, click yes. Click right here. You want your free standard business supplies kit. Again, this does not mean you're selling, but they just throw it in for free. This has 8 of each of the catalogs, which you can share with your family and friends. All right, now down here, build your starter kit. This is where you get to choose $125 worth of anything you want from our current catalogs. Now here is the great thing about ordering your starter kit now is you get to choose from the brand new mini catalog that is not available to customers until January 4th. As a demonstrator or a discount shopper, you get to order from this catalog a month early. So I just clicked on the mini catalog, and you can just scroll through here. This is actually mixed with some of our holiday catalog product as well on here, but here's one of the new bundles, Parisian Beauty Bundle. You can put that as part of your starter kit. So you get to choose $125 worth of anything you want, and so just add it to your cart. So let's see, I'm going to add, let's see here. Now I'm getting picky because I'm not really going to be doing this, of course. Okay, let's go back to this one. Okay, I'm going to do add the Parisian, and it tells you down here you can do up to $125 retail value. You're not able to go over, but once you sign up, you can turn around and order directly from yourself. Usually you're approved within a few hours, and you can turn around and place your first online order, and I will add you to our team Facebook group, and we'll answer all of your questions over there. And then you just, once you have $125 or less, click continue, and then you can complete your starter kit. Please let me know if you have any questions. mypinkstamper@gmail.com. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll chat with you soon. Bye-bye.